Welcome home to the Better Life Maids. We are beyond thrilled to have you join our team, and we can't wait to see the positive impact you will make in our clients' lives and your own while working with us. Before you pick up your cleaning cloth and begin your journey, it's essential to understand our cleaning processes and procedures. They may be different than what you're accustomed to, but trust us, there's a purpose behind every step we take at Better Life Maids. Our ultimate goal is to create consistently delightful cleaning experiences that transform our clients' homes and bring them joy. Not only are we committed to our clients, but we are also committed to providing you with a competitive wage, an uplifting work environment, and all the support you will need to excel in your role. You see, at Better Life Maids, we believe in investing in our team members and supporting them to reach their full potential. We are committed to providing you with the training, the resources, and the tools that you will need to succeed in this role, and we are confident that you will thrive in this position. So, are you ready to be a part of the team that truly values and invests in its members while providing a valuable service to the community? As you go through this training series, you will gain a deep understanding of our approach at cleaning, gain the knowledge and the skills necessary to excel as a Better Life Maids cleaning technician. But it's not just about cleaning, it's about making a difference. By joining our team, you have the opportunity to bring happiness and comfort to people's homes and make a real impact in their lives. So, let's get started creating a cleaner, happier world.